In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Telegram private group or channel video with easy method. Just follow my instruction. First, you can see I already opened Telegram on my PC. Now I'm going on this extension. Again, click Manage Extension. Again, Web Chrome Store. Then here type Telestream Stream Saver. It's totally free of cost. Extension you need to add to Chrome, then add extension. It's already added to my um, extension section. Now go back Telegram and refresh your browser. Then I choose a group. It's my friends group, but I'm not an owner. It's called like example. If I open this channel, you can see this channel owner name alone India. I am only member, but after install this extension, you just open this video, you target the video, then you can found this download button. Just click. Wow, it's already downloaded to my computer. It's already done. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.